Hey guys, today's video we're going to be talking about makeup techniques. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 most common foundation application method. How to basically use your beauty sponge to apply your foundation brush, and how to use your fingertips. I'm also going to explain when it's best to use either of these methods and how either of these methods is going to affect the appearance of your foundation. So guys, a foundation brush basically works with any makeup products. So if you are looking at using a full coverage foundation and you're using a foundation brush and you want your foundation to come out really full coverage, then you go ahead and use your foundation brush. A foundation brush is not going to soak up any of your products. It's going to distribute your product onto your skin exactly how you picked it up from the package. Your fingertips is also a best way to share out your product on your skin. So I would say any product that is moisturizing, any product that doesn't have pigment in it, you want to use your fingertips to really apply that to make it settle into your skin, so it gives you that really nice sheer coverage. For example, BB cream, CC cream, tinted moisturizer, or maybe your moisturizer, or you want to use your sunscreen, or you want to use your under eye cream, or your concealer. So if you want to apply your concealer under your eyes, I would advise you use your ring finger to tap that under your skin. The reason why you're doing that is you're not adding pressure, because I don't know if this is just me, but I noticed that our ring finger doesn't carry as much pressure as the rest of the finger because of the heat in your hands, and the heat on your skin will help to melt, especially creamy product will help to melt it into your skin. A beauty sponge is so widely accepted that you hardly see a beauty enthusiast, you hardly see a pro makeup artist not use a beauty blender. So it's really important that you use a damp beauty sponge. So when you damp your beauty sponge, this is how it looks. It becomes much larger and much bigger than it was dry. For someone that likes to wear a full coverage foundation, you might want to stay away from using a beauty sponge, because your beauty sponge is going to absorb your foundation and just share it out on your skin. So that's why you notice that there are times you apply your liquid foundation and you notice you're not getting as much coverage as probably what the foundation promises to, or maybe you can actually feel the foundation at the back of your hand, okay, to an extent this should give you a coverage, but applying it with this beauty sponge, you notice that you're not getting the same result as what you have pumped at the back of your hands. It's because of the beauty sponge. The beauty sponge is meant to blow out. It's meant to give you a very soft, smooth application. It's not meant to give you a full coverage, except to keep going over and over and over again before you can actually get an ideal coverage that you really want. Let me know which of these methods you have tried before, and if you have tried out these 3 methods, let me know which one works best for you. Which one gets the job done for you. Let me know down in the comment section. I hope this video is not boring. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.